Speaking of which, I think they would announce the release of the next generation of Pokemon games. Ever since Black and White, they have released a new generation of Pokemon game every 3 years. And the last generation that was released was Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, which is on November of 2022. This means that the next generation is most likely to be released on November of 2025. There is a possibility that they might not even follow this trend. Fans have been very vocal that Scarlet and Violet is full of bugs and glitches. Another reason why they might push the date to 2026 is because 2026 is Pokemon's 30th anniversary. It would be a fitting date that the 10th generation of games would be released on February of 2026, but it's not a bad idea to push the date to November of 2026 just to make the game as polished as possible. If they push it too far though, I would not be surprised if the next generation of games is a Switch 2 exclusive, because at that point, Switch 2 would have been released for more than a year already.